Quality is people. You should always remember that while quality is partly physical and partly systems, most of it is people. After all, your systems are designed and run by people, and your equipments are chosen, operated, and maintained by people. Quality is set and determined not only by your job knowledge, competence of skills, but also by your values and attitudes and your behavior, your warmth and friendliness. When you come in contact with customers, the expressions on your face, the genuine concern that you show to your customers, the efficiency, graciousness, and joy with which you serve your customers will make their experience both enjoyable and memorable enough to make them want to return. Hence, in the last analysis, quality is people. Quality should be your way of life in order to gain customer satisfaction. It involves everyone. Anyone who does not consider quality a major part of his job does not deserve that job. Quality will bring profits. There is one thing to be stressed. A store like yours deals largely with the provision of services, and service is largely irrevocable and irreplaceable. A defective car or stove can be returned for repair or replacement, but defective service, once given, will have done its damage. It cannot be returned for replacement. The bad experience of a customer cannot be recalled for repair or replacement. Once done, it is done. It is too late to revoke. It is difficult to win a customer in the first place, but it is many times more difficult and often impossible to win back a disgusted customer. Remember also that customers love to talk about their buying experiences, whether good or bad, but especially bad. A customer's dissatisfaction will not be limited in him alone. It will be communicated to as many friends as he cares to talk about. As a dissatisfied customer automatically multiplies in number. Think of it in another way. Whenever you depart from your high standards of quality and customer service, you are doing your competitors a favor, and none of you shares in their success. Quality at competitive prices should be your way of satisfying customer needs, wants, and preferences in recognition of the reality of customer sovereignty. And to repeat, there is no substitute for quality in satisfying a customer. Any breach of quality is costly in terms of damaged prestige, lost revenues, and added expenses. Your services and your operation must be governed by the adherence to zero defects. Do the right thing right the first with no compromises. Then the customers will be satisfied. Not only the customers will be satisfied, but also the employees, because teamwork will bring in commitment and will result to quality and productivity as well as profitability. And if you have this, it will bring in employee benefits.